3.
Cayson, this is the Cayson experience. Like and subscribe for
Cayson
more
experience.
videos.
Like and subscribe for more of these videos. Go for it, dude. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Oh God, don't get me muddy. Oh my gosh, there's big splashing everywhere, dude.
I see the water. I'm getting the water out of my boots.
You have to get the water out of your boots?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. Well, today, Cayson is playing in mud puddles.
Yeah, and deep ones.
Deep ones.
And they were just not deep.
Yeah, but this is the deepest one?
No.
This isn't the deepest one?
Nope.
Really? It looks pretty deep to me.
The deepest one is 159 feet deep.
159 feet? Well, we don't have that here.
That's the biggest mud puddle.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you got me. You got me wet, dude. Boom, shakalaka. Are you having fun in the muddy puddles?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite thing ever?
Yeah.
Stop pushing my buttons. Ooh, you're disgusting. Oh, that was a big splash there, dude. Boy. Oh, I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. Oh. Dude, that was insane. I knew you was going to fall.
My boots are so freaking heavy.
Yeah, I could see the water coming out of your boots, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. Look. Cayson has got mud dripping out of his boots. That is insane.
In the membrane.
In the membrane. And in case you haven't noticed, ladies and gentlemen, Cayson is wearing his shirt on backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got this dress in that.
You weren't planning on that?
That's all in it.
I mean, oh God. Oh my God, dude.
That's so cold.
Yeah, I know.
That's so freaking cold.
All right, guys. We hope you liked the video.
But it's longer.
Like and subscribe.
But we can make it longer though.
I mean, we could. How are we going to make it longer?
Let's play the mud longer.
Oh, that's pretty good observation there. Play in the mud longer. Yeah, you're soaked now. And the crazy thing is, kids, what did Daddy say when you came out here the first time?
I don't know.
I said, Cayson, you can't get soaking wet.
But I did.
And I think you were soaking wet.
But
What do you say?
it's
Look at that. When you take a step, look at your boots. Oh, my God.
Dad, what's
There
this?
is mud in his boots. Oh. Cayson, that is insane. The amount of mud. Oh, my God. Oh, Mommy and Mimi are going to be so mad at me. Those are the wrong feet.
This all?
Yeah, obviously.
How did that even happen?
I don't know.
Because you said this is the right foot.
No, I didn't say anything. You just put them on the wrong feet. That's how that happened. You tripped me out, bro. You're killing me, Smalls.
I'm so freaking wet.
That you are. Oh, now here we go. Now we're getting to some seriousness. Oh, no. Can he push through the mud? Oh, the big tires are working hard. And he's out of it. Now, let's see what happens when he runs through it. Let's give the kids a good view. Splash Mountain. Roar. Oh my gosh. Okay. It did. All right. I think we should call it quits on the video for here for now.
No.
Okay? I think we should. Guys, we hope you liked watching.
Let's keep going.
We got to go.
Why? Why?
Well, we have to turn the video off and edit it and post it so everybody can see it, right?
Yeah.
And then we can make more videos. And you got we hope you like the video. Like and subscribe. The Cayson Experience.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
Goodbye and hope you like this video.
Goodbye. Hope you like this video.
And let's do another one tomorrow.
Oh, man.